Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J and I do lifestyle videos, home decor, shop with me. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, hello, how are you? So I'm still trying to finish off areas of my house. So of course I went to Homegoods, you guys, and I had to take y'all along with me. So if you guys want to come shop with me at Homegoods, keep watching. And then also I'm gonna do a collective haul at the end because I've been shopping at different places and I wanna show you guys what I've been picking up along the way. So I'll show all that once we come back. Okay, we're back. So the first thing I got is this cookbook. I really want to get a cookbook for my kitchen. So I picked up this one from HomeGoods. It's called Cook Beautifully. This book is beautiful. It's like everything that I could ask for. And I was really surprised at the recipes because I don't eat meat, and there's a lot of vegetarian recipes in here and pescatarian recipes. She kind of categorizes the recipes by season. So there's a summer, a spring, a fall, and winter section. And this is the page I currently have in my kitchen. I love this, the glass, the gold. It's just a really beautiful book. I love how the pages are matte and the pictures are amazing. Like, look at this winter picture. I cannot wait to display every season, and the recipes look delicious. This was only $16.99 at HomeGoods. By putting this on display, obviously it looks good being on display in the kitchen, but having it open is gonna give you motivation to try some new recipes because I haven't been cooking as much as I normally do. And then also from HomeGoods, one of you had asked about the candle that I had burning in the back. I did move the bench. I'm kind of doing something different with it, but it was this candle right here. It's a lemongrass candle by I think it's by Lamb and Wolf, and it's in the lemongrass scent. It smells amazing. It's a soy wax blend. Whew, it smells so good. I just love everything about it. Usually I tear my labels off, but I kept this one on. I love how it has like this little suede strap. The top It's beautiful and it smells good, and it was only $6.99. The last thing I got from HomeGoods are these two pictures right here. Now the picture is, I think it's cool. Like, I see beauty in everything. But my vision was to paint over that and create my own wall art. I really wanted a Sarah Brooke painting. I'll show you guys a picture of it. So I bought these and I'm thinking of recreating it, but now I'm thinking about doing something else. So there's an app I use that's called, what is it called? Decor Matters. And basically you can take a picture of your room in your house and you can kind of put stuff in it to see how it would look, so that you don't have to run around town and buy everything and return it like I'm doing right now. So I haven't been using the app as much, but I need to start doing it again so I can kind of have a clear vision of what I want to do. But obviously shopping, going out there and see what's out there is fun. And then I can record it and show you guys so you guys can get good ideas too. But I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do. If I do a DIY wall art, I will show you guys and I will record it if it comes out good. So I'll just keep you guys updated for that. It's for a wall in my kitchen. I have this blank wall that I currently have these gold paintings. I love the gold paintings. They're just small for the space and it's just been bothering me. So I think I wanna go bigger. Go big or go home, y'all. I stopped in Tuesday mornings. This was my first time going into Tuesday mornings. And it was, to me, this one was a mix between like a HomeGoods and a Burlington Coat Factory. Is kind of picked over. But I did see this. I don't know if it's to display some art piece or if it's a book stand. But I really wanted something that was elevated off the countertop because I didn't want to risk spilling something or my kids spilling something and messing up my cookbook. So I love this one because I can either have my book like this, closed. And that's the thing, a lot of the book stands, I saw that you can't have it closed, you have to have it open because it was really wide. Or I can have it open. And let me show you guys, let me see, where's the picture? Or you can have it open on display in your kitchen. So this was, it was gold. And I did spray paint it black. Surprise, surprise, I spray paint everything. And this was only $6.99. Okay, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already saw these. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my name on there is MyJessicaJ. I bought these two candlestick holders from Crate and Barrel. They came and they were so much darker in person. So I spray painted them a lighter color. Listen, I went through a few different brass spray paints and it just didn't work out. I didn't send them back because it was gonna cost me like $15 to send them back, which is not worth it. And then I did some digging. I found this metallic paint, this brass color metallic paint by Modern Masters from Amazon. I already showed you guys, but for all my YouTube fam, this stuff right here is the best. Let me focus, okay. The best brass paint I have ever used. And I already painted these and I didn't even like take my time and paint them nicely. I just slapped the paint on there and it looks really good because I was over it. I'm like, let's just see how it works. And it's perfect. It's like the perfect brass paint. Now I need to do a second coat because I think the paint that I had originally on there is peeking through a little bit, but I don't know. I might just leave it alone because I'm kind of over painting these. I painted them like 5 times already. Okay, the last thing I got, and I'm actually sad that I can't keep it. And I've been crying about it on Instagram for like the past few days because I was so in love with this. You know how you buy something and you just get a good feeling because it's something that you wanted, something you worked hard for, and it's just gonna make your place like take it to the next level. This was going to be it. And it ended up being too big. Now my kitchen's white, my walls are white, everything's white. So I wanted something big and bold for my island. So I picked up this massive beauty right here. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this? If you follow me on Instagram, I did a poll, I think a couple of weeks ago, on what vase I should get for my island. It was between this one and it was in a Pottery Barn one. I'll show you guys a picture. And it was pretty much 50-50. I don't even remember which one won, but if it did, it was won like a couple percent, but it was pretty much 50-50. You guys didn't help me out on that one. Well, you let me know either one would look fine. The Pottery Barn vase was sold out until December. And then I saw Brandy get the smaller version of this. So I'm like, maybe it's a sign. Let me go to West Elm. By the way, it is from West Elm. And let me see what it looks like in person. And I saw it, I just fell in love with it. I brought it home. I'm like, it's too big. But I'm showing you guys just in case you're interested. These right now are 30% off. So if you like this, snatch it up right now. They also have different sizes and different colors. So definitely check out the West Elm website, or if you have a West Elm near you, check it out. So that's gonna go back, and then I'm gonna go back to the drawing boards on what I should do with the kitchen island. So if you guys enjoyed this shop with me / collective haul, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing, for liking my videos, for sharing my videos, for following me on Instagram, for commenting. You guys, I love chatting with you guys. Leave your comments down below on if you liked any of the items. What was your favorite? What do you think about this bad boy right here? This big baby. I put it back in the bag, but what do you guys think? It's so, oh my gosh, let me just talk about it one more time. It's so modern and shiny and beautiful. Anyways, I want to show that so I can forever remember what it looked like. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.